visited by Governor Samantan. Kaya naman ay mga investors pumapasok, iba ng tingin sa Sulu, iba ng tingin sa probinsya at dahil mapayapa ang Sulu ngayon. So that's the biggest change, and it is all based on the peace process. That is why we hold it so important. So patuloy pa rin. At maganda talaga naman dito. It has always been a favorite spot of mine. Malayo lang kaya hindi ko napupuntahan as much as I would like to. Diba din nakikita naman pag nag-usap.
Governor po, Mr. President, can you provide an update on infrastructure projects in Sulu, such as roads, bridges, and ports that are aimed at improving connectivity and accessibility?
Yes, we just actually let me start with the last one. The connectivity and accessibility. We are just